Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. According to recent online rumors, it is anticipated that Nikon will begin releasing teasers for their upcoming Z8 camera within the next few days, on April 26, 2023. It is expected that the official announcement for this camera will take place during the second week of May 2023. The Nikon Z8 is rumored to be a high-megapixel full-frame mirrorless camera that will compete directly with the recently launched Sony A7 or 5, available on B&H, Amazon, and Adorama, which is priced at $3,899. It is important to note, however, that further confirmation is needed about the Z6 Mark III before any definitive statements can be made. In addition to the Nikon Z8 updates, B&H Photo is already advertising the Nikon Z8 announcement, and various sources have shared the latest rumors regarding this upcoming camera. Now let's have a look at latest Nikon Z8 rumors recap. The Nikon Z8 teaser campaign will likely start next week, on or around April 26. The multiple website updates and events point to a big event in the next few days. The teaser campaign is expected to be different influencers, photographers, ambassadors talking about the Z8 camera features. The Nikon Z8 is rumored to be officially announced in the second week of May, on or around May 9th. There is also a Nikon event in Dubai on May 23rd. The Nikon Z8 is rumored to start shipping end of May or in early June. Nikon's goal for the Z8 is to cut the pre-order wait time. The Nikon Z8 internal code could be Q2070. The Nikon Z8 is referred to as the Mini Z9. The Nikon Z8 will have a better autofocus with telephoto lenses from a far distance, not sure why. The Nikon Z8 will be the perfect camera for the prosumer market. Previous reports on Nikon Z8 rumors. The Z8 was described to me as a hybrid camera between the Z7 and the Z9, similar form factor to the Nikon Z6 and Z7, improved EVF, improved autofocus, same sensor as the Z9, will not have all of the Z9 features, obviously, announcement expected before the summer. The latest time frame I heard is April and shipping in May. Development announcement could come earlier. Price in Europe, around €4,500. Not sure if this is for a camera only or for a lens kit. US prices are usually lower. Will use the same battery as the Nikon Z7, Nikon ENEL15C. External battery grip will be available. 8K 60 video. Dedicated USB-C power delivery port for charging and continuous use. 9MP EVF. The Canon EOS R3 already has 5.8 megapixel EVF. Price in Europe, around €4,500. Not sure if this is for a camera only or for a lens kit. US prices are usually lower. That's it for this video. I will see you soon with some more news. Do share your thoughts and opinion on the upcoming Nikon Z8 camera.